Boom! Destruction Scrourge. Look at him in his beautiful cat mode. He's got missiles and shit. Look at him. He's dark. He's mysterious. He's evil. And I like him. He's got the cannon thing on his arm. He's got one of those air bellows things on his back. He's got missiles, bitch. And he will fucking kill you if you come anywhere near him. But look, he's familiar, yeah? Oh my god. It's G2 Optimus Prime. Or in this case, Sure Shot. But look, they're brothers from another mother. But this bastard's gonna take over the planet. I know what you're thinking. Can this boy stand up? Can he fuck?
I'm on YouTube!